Hello, this is Styler65, and I'm back again with Putt Putt Pond. And this time we're going to do Waterfall Ridge. Bit of a nice scenery here. This is the other part of Putt Putt Pond, but Waterfall Ridge, I think it's more of the hard course. Birdie! If you remember from last video, you need to get the shot just right, and no physics. Did I get it? I think I can make it. Eagle! Nailed it. Alright, here we are. And this one I'm gonna hit just right. Or do that. Wait. How did I do that? Sometimes gotta let some things do it on its own. But don't worry, just don't let small setbacks get you down. I don't think it's gonna be a good one. Yeah, sometimes all about luck sometimes. But don't let it get you down. It's not over yet. It's only in the beginning. Now you need to get the shot perfect. Ooh, this one's gonna be a little bit toughy. Yes! I don't know why that happens sometimes. Now this one's a bit of a tricky. You either gotta get it just right for a hole-in-one or go the long way. Let's try hit this hole-in-one. Or not. I think maybe the key is to swing it like you're playing golf. Come on. Yes! Birdie! Moving along. This looks like it's one of those. You hit it just right for a hole-in-one. Hey, when it happens. Alright, clear shot. Or not.
Nice par.
A par will do. Oh, this one, we gotta be quick. Alright, now let it carry it. I doubt they would make this in real life. Now this one, gonna need to hit it really good. Or not so good. We need to turn this off to go through. Now we need to
Birdie.
still good. Ooh, this one might be a little bit tricky. Huh. How did I do that? All you do now is get a good stroke. And this is a clear shot.
Nice par.
So far, so good, I think. Now this one, we need him a little bit good. Or miss the trick. Don't tell me I'm gonna start messing up. Maybe a little softer. Okay, now I got this. Now I get really good. Messed up. I think I can still make it. I just need one good stroke, and then I'll be good. And there you go. Not gonna be a good score though. An 8. 2 off. Ooh, this one's a little bit hard. Either it's straight through the middle or the sides. I got a feeling I'm gonna go with the sides. And there we go. Oh, this is perfect.
Birdie.
Well, sometimes you need to have a little bit of misfortune in order to find fortune. so it's either gonna be the water wheel or I'll try water wheel first. Or not. This long way will do. Oh, if I hit it a little bit hard. Oh, what did I hit? Come on, you can do it. I was just there. Now this one is basically luck. The keys get on the middle one. Let's try to get that. So let's see which path I get. Come on, the middle. Ah, and it's going a long way. Now where is it? See, the key's getting on the middle one. Because you get the middle, you get a hole in one. Maybe 2 shots will do? There we go.
Birdie!
Now this one, you're gonna need some skill. Oh, this one's gonna be a little tricky. You gotta get in the middle in order to get a good score, but I doubt it. Huh. Can't believe I managed to do that.
Double eagle!
I think that counts as a trick shot. Oh, this one's gonna be a little bit hard. You hit it just right. Too hasty. I was too hasty. I get it? No. Too soft. Concentrate. There we go. All right. Here goes. I have no idea why this happens to me sometimes. Okay, not any trick shot right in the middle. Ah. Too far. That was only a small setback. Gotta keep going. And why do I keep hitting invisible objects? God dang it.
Nice putt.
Alright, we're almost done. Another trick one. Let's try to get that in the middle. Always that side, huh? Trick shot. Why must you fail me? There you go. Now we're getting somewhere. Just missed it, and twice in a row, huh? Okay, this is getting a little bit annoying. Come on now, get in the hole. Today might not be a good run. And now time for the more harder ones. No, this one's gonna be a pain. That was a close one. Come on. Yeah, I gotta hit that wall in order to get this hole.
Nice putt.
Just made it. Now time for the very last one. This swing depends everything. Okay, that was a little bit too hard. Okay. And in we go.
Eagle.
Okay, and 85. We were scored a putt-putt enthusiast. Maybe if I didn't overshoot that shot, I could have gotten a higher score, but eh. There seems to be also boats if you want to play a little minigame with other people. I think that wraps about it. Well, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be seeing you in the future. Farewell for now.